Today, we're going to bring a table from our Databricks account into Excel. In this case, I want to look at my products table, which contains a lot of, product information. So you can see I got my product ID, name, cost, etc. So let's go ahead and just remove this limit. I'm going to give it a name as to what I want to call this import and make sure that I choose a location for it inside Excel. I'm going to create a new tab for it called products. And as you can see, it looks just beautiful. My data from Databricks straight into Excel. Now, since all roads begin and end in Excel, we're going to use a lookup table, which is just a manual entry table inside of my Excel workbook that I'm going to use to enrich the data that I just pulled off from Unity Catalog. I've successfully brought in the category column, and again, looks beautiful. It's Excel. Other people on my team do need to use this data, so let's upload it back into Databricks. I'm going to give it a unique location because I don't want to override my otherwise more strictly governed data. So let's call this products_v2. And then we are going to select the range of the data that we are uploading into Databricks. Databricks gives you a nice preview as to how it is interpreting the data you're trying to upload, and you could customize this and change this, like changing from numbers into strings. But for now, let's create the table. For the purposes of the demo, I removed that products tab that we had, and then I'm going to go ahead and just bring in products v2. And as you can see, now inside of Unity Catalog, we have our category column, and it looks beautiful. Let's import this again, picking whatever destination you want to give this to. And just like that, you have Databricks and Excel working together. Thank you so very much for watching.